Hi everyone, welcome to my channel 40 and Fly as I capture my experiences learning flying. Today I'll talk about aviation headset called Halo. It's from QT Technologies. I recently ordered this online and received it. So let's do some unboxing and show you what is in there. The headset came in a USPS mailbox. The headset was itself packed in a small black pouch, pretty compact and lightweight. Once you open the pouch, you find everything that you need: the headset, the accessories, the manual, and then an identification card. Let's keep the headset to the side and this is all what is in the pouch if you remove the headset. Let's look at the headset first and then we'll go talk about the other things. So this is the expandable headband. You pretty much have three ways in which you can use it, and then this is the control unit that comes. As you can see, it has two channels, left and right. This auxiliary input, you can plug in your audio device. It's a nice volume control for both of the channels. And then that's a small rocker switch to put your headset in a mono or a stereo sound. And this is your standard 2-pin plug that you find in most of the aircrafts. The cable itself is pretty soft, very flexible. The pouch also has a pair of additional audio tubes, but if you look closely, these are angled at 90 degrees. So these are the angled tubes versus what comes along with the headset is straight. And there's a reason for that. I'll talk to you more about it. And then you have a plastic pouch with a bunch of ear tips. And then you have few papers which have instructions and details about the Halo tube phone. These are all the ear tips, two types. One is foam and the other one is triple flange, sort of a soft plastic. The ear tips, they need to be fixed to the end of the audio tube. So the straight end of the audio tube would go into these two types of ear tips. So it's pretty easy. You can just slide them in and it would get in. But if you want to use these brown foam tips, then you need to use that angled audio tubes that I had showed you. So you just pull this end of the tube and fix the angled audio tubes to there. So there I fixed one of them. So it's pretty easy. So you take the tube and just you slide it at the very end, and once you do it, it's pretty snug and doesn't come out. There you have it. I fixed the other one. Now to the other end, this is where you plug this end into the tip of the foam ear tip. That's how it looks after you push it in. It's a little delicate but pretty easy to do. There you have one of them, and I'll do fix the other one. So there you have both of them. The headband itself is adjustable, so you can actually pull it out how much ever you want. Very useful in case you have a different head size. The mic itself is on a flexible arm and it is a noise cancellation mic. So overall, this is how you put everything in.